Hello dear subscribers. Today I will tell you how you can fix your problem with Google Chrome. So if you're trying to open some video on YouTube or some other site and it doesn't play video in your site you want to view. So for fixing it you just need to open your Google Chrome and just first you need also understand if this problem is also with Google Chrome or with maybe with your internet connection. So just try to open internet from other device or other browser and check if this problem is also with Google Chrome. And if you check it and you understand that video doesn't play only in Google Chrome, so just go here, click here, and here you choose help. So just open help. And choose about Google Chrome. So here you can see version, and now it's checking for updates. So just check if you have the latest version of Google Chrome or you need to update it. Also you can see here that my Google Chrome is now updating, so I don't have the latest version. So just check if you have the latest version. If not, just update your Google Chrome. Sometimes it helps you and it can solve this problem. So after it will update and you see this problem again, you try to open Task Manager. So for opening it you just need to click Ctrl Alt and Del in one time. And just now in this list you choose Task Manager, so just open it. And so we need to wait some time after it will end our updating. So no, it's really taking not so much time. Here you can see that nearly up to date. Relaunch Google Chrome to finish updating. Incognito windows won't reopen. So just after you click relaunch, it will be restart. Your Google Chrome will exit and launch again, and I hope that it will help you to fix this error. So if it doesn't help you, you can also open this Task Manager, and here you can see Google Chrome. So you just choose this, click on it, and right click on mouse on it and choose End Task. So after you end task, just check if it's in background process, it close Google too. So here you can see Google crash. So we end all tasks with Google. So just end task. And now you just reopen your Google Chrome, and it can also help you too. So if it doesn't help you, you also can check and understand if maybe sometimes you can also install some extensions that can be harmful for your Google Chrome, and just try to go to this. So go to settings. And in settings you can see extensions. So just check extensions. Maybe you remember what extension you install latest and what extension can cause this problem. So just remove it and try to reopen your browser, and it can also help you too. So after you do it, you can also check here. You go to settings, and in settings you choose privacy and security. How to feel. So maybe you just change some settings. So allow JavaScript. If you change settings in your JavaScript, and also And also the latest variant option you can do, it's just to clean your history and clean cookie. So just try it, and I hope that one of these methods will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.